Well, here we are at the Swanson. Google said that'd take about 10 minutes, but I think I found the extra light switch. Made it a little faster than that. We got the Swanson over here in downtown Perry. It's a nice little quiet area. You can see it's homey. Let's go check out what all this country cooking's about.
Hey guys.
Hello, how are you doing? Is Brad here?
Yes, me, man.
Joshua Davis. Yes, sir. How you doing?
Good, good. Doing all right today, yeah?
Oh, doing great, doing great.
I'll be right back to take care of you, okay?
All right, thanks. All right, so we got seated in here at the Swanson, and it's nice, elegant. I mean, you wouldn't really consider this in that kind of area. White tablecloths and everything. And look at this menu. Fried green tomatoes. If you've never had fried green tomatoes, they're great. They got some quiche that I'm looking at. A prime rib sandwich, those are good. Fried catfish. Meatloaf, I bet that's good. I wonder if it's like Mama made it. Salmon croquets, interesting. All right, prime rib, jumbo shrimp, chopped steak, beef tips and rice. Oh, I remember back in my day of cooking at a country club, making beef tips and rice all the time. That's something. Some sides, they got broccoli rice casserole, collard greens, cornbread dressing, field peas, fried okra, lima beans, pear salad. Never had pear salad. Rutabagas. Man, I remember in school I made a rutabaga souffle. And this is back in the day before the internet for all you kids. Squash casserole, sweet potato souffle. All right, it looks good. I'm anxious to see what they're gonna pick for us today. All right, chicken fried chicken.
Yep. Meatloaf.
Meatloaf.
Mac and cheese and collard greens.
Mac and cheese and collard greens. All right.
There's some bread for y'all. It's just sour
Bread.
cream.
And we got the sweet potato souffle here.
Yep.
And okra. All right. All
Got
right. Looks
anything
good.
else?
Looks great.
I'll enjoy, right?
All right. Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything.
Wow, this is a bunch. All right, now only because I talked about it before, I got to get a big old bite of this meatloaf because I talked about it better be good from like. I mean, look at that. It's big and juicy. Flavors are there. Flavors good. I like it. It's big. It's juicy. It's not dried out. I like it. I like it. All right, and we'll try some of this chicken fried chicken. They say it takes 20 minutes because it's made to order every time. It's great, good, juicy, just the right. I mean, it's country cooking right there. That is great. Oh man, this is a bunch of food. Country food is big on your belly, so it's gonna take us a minute to finish this. So we'll catch you at the end to let you know everything all about how full we are and how much we're gonna go take a nap today. Let me eat.